this video, we're going to be talking about how to check Apple ID balance. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, the easiest method is going to be by simply opening the App Store, just like that. Simply go ahead and tap on your photo on the top right of your screen, right over here. And now once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for the balance amount. So if you have balance, it's going to simply go ahead and show it to you right over here on this screen. If you do not see a balance, you do not have any funds currently in your account. It is as simple as that. The second way you can do is simply go ahead and head into your settings, and once you've done that, tap on your Apple banner on the top and then simply click on payment and delivery, and this is also where your balance will be displayed in the list of payments right over here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.